What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell a stock or a share in Trading 212 app. So first of all, just open up your app. Also, if you made your account in the last 10 days, you can use my promo code from the description below and you will get a free stock worth up to $100. So once your app loaded up, you can go to your portfolio icon right here in the bottom left corner. And from there, if you scroll down a bit, you can see your pie investments and you can see your individual stocks or shares that you purchased outside of your pies. So let's, for example, sell this Microsoft stock right here. Microsoft share. And here you have two options: buy more Microsoft shares or sell the shares that you have. So both for shares and stocks is the same process of selling. So just go ahead and click sell. Also be sure that the market is opened. If you try to sell a stock when the market is closed, it will just send a sell order which will be fulfilled when the market is opened. So the US market is currently opened and I will just select the amount of shares that I want to sell. And you can filter it by value right here or by number of shares. So let's select number of shares just to see how it looks. And there we go. You can see exactly how much shares of Microsoft you have. So you can also just slide it as on the previous option, but I will leave it at its maximum value. So once you selected the amount of shares or stocks that you want to sell, you can just click review order right here. And here it says that the remaining value of my investment must be at least €1. So I can either sell less or I can sell the entire investment. So it seems that we didn't move the slider all the way right. So let's just try again. And let's try now. And there we go. So the slider was not actually moved all the way left. And here you have a quick recap of the sell order. So the amount of shares that you're selling, their current value, and the commission fee, which on Trading 212 is free. So if you're happy with this, you can just click send sell order. And there we go. I sold 0.02 shares of Microsoft at $425 per share. So just click OK to confirm it. And now if we go back, you can see that Microsoft share is no longer here on our portfolio. Again, if you made your account in the last 10 days, you can use my promo code from the description below and go here and just scroll down a bit until you can see use promo code, and you can input that code here and get yourself a stock worth up to $100. So that's how you can sell a stock or a share in the Trading 212 app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below, or you can use my promo code. Thank you for watching.